Hello, and congratulations on your purchase of a REV vehicle. Your vehicle is equipped with a WiFiRanger, the industry's most reliable internet router and signal boosting system. Once activated, your WiFiRanger helps all your devices securely connect to the best internet source available, wherever you may roam. WiFiRanger is one of the many devices that makes your REV vehicle unique and is another way that the REV family is committed to enhancing your mobile lifestyle. This short video will show you how to set up your WiFiRanger so you can enjoy streaming video, checking email and social media accounts, sharing photos with friends and family, getting work done, conducting your online banking behind WiFiRanger's safe surf firewalls, and all the other online activities you want and need from the convenience of your REV vehicle. To activate your WiFiRanger, look for a power switch on the wall with a sticker labeled WiFiRanger. If you find the switch, go ahead and turn it on to power up the Wi-Fi antennas on your roof. If your vehicle does not have a wall switch, that likely means you have an indoor router that will power your rooftop antennas. In that case, simply plug in the power supply of the indoor unit to get started. Then wait 3 minutes for the units to boot up. Next, review your list of available Wi-Fi networks wherever your computer or device lists them. Find the WiFiRanger signal that matches the sticker on the wall or on the side of your indoor router. Next, enter the password found on the sticker. Now open a web browser of your choice, such as Safari, Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome. Then enter myWiFiRanger.com. Once the page loads, click the Scan button if the page is not already scanning for best Wi-Fi networks. Then click the Connect button on the Wi-Fi network of your choice. If the network host, such as a campground or a coffee shop, has set up a secured network, you'll be prompted to enter a password. Once authenticated, you can now enjoy the internet behind the WiFiRanger's secure private network. To connect other web-enabled devices in your RV, simply select the WiFiRanger network name, enter the password, and those devices can then auto-connect in the future if you set them up to do so. Should you have any questions or need support, call WiFiRanger at 208-321-5544 or email support@WiFiRanger.com. Congratulations again on your purchase of a REV product. Vehicles for life.